battery replacement tutorial for Smart App Sinewave UPS series. Please take the following safety precautions. The batteries for this UPS series are hot swappable. It is not necessary to power down the UPS. Do not replace the battery when the UPS is operating in battery mode. Remove jewelry and other metal objects. Use tools with insulated handles. Only use replacement batteries certified by CyberPower systems. To start, remove the 2 screws from the right side of the front panel. Disconnect the red and black connectors. Remove the battery compartment cover by removing the 2 screws. Slowly pull out the battery pack and reinstall with a new one. Insert the red and black connectors through the battery compartment cover and reinstall the cover by tightening the 2 screws. Connect the battery connectors red to red and black to black. Make sure the connection is properly seated. To reinstall the front panel, make sure the left side goes in first and secure it with 2 screws. To complete the battery replacement, you may run the battery test by using the LCD panel. This video will demonstrate by using the buttons on the LCD panel to configure the UPS settings. To perform battery test via the LCD panel, hold down the toggle button for 4 seconds during line mode. The test will run for a few seconds and then return to normal operation. Finally, remember to reset the battery replacement date using the PowerPanel Power Management software and Remote Management card. You may also run the battery test by using the PowerPanel Power Management software or an installed Remote Management card. Warning: do not open the batteries. Released electrolyte is harmful to the skin and eyes. Do not dispose in fire as it may explode. Follow all local ordinances regarding the proper disposal of batteries.